Containing powerful antioxidants, caffeine and nutrients, this should become your beverage of choice if you truly value your well-being. What are the benefits of including green tea in your diet? 1. Green tea fights off allergies. Green tea contains a potent compound that has been proven to be anti-allergenic, which can be very relieving during allergy season. Additionally, the polyphenol in green tea has been found to help those with pollen allergies, relieving many of the symptoms and discomfort associated with pollen allergies. 2. Green tea makes you smarter. Green tea contains two synergistic ingredients, caffeine and L-theanine, which work together to improve overall brain function. It contains just the right amount of caffeine to fire up the neurons in your brain without causing you to feel jittery, releasing brain chemicals that improve your mood, increase your memory and speed up your reaction time. L-theanine is an amino acid that offers energy and a natural anti-anxiety effect. By drinking green tea you will feel more alert, yet more stable, and will generally be smarter than usual. 3. Green tea makes your teeth and gums stronger. Green tea contains a chemical antioxidant known as catechin, which reduces inflammation in the body. Catechin, in particular, is known to destroy bacteria and increase the alkalinity of saliva, making your mouth a clean and healthy environment where plaque and disease are unable to thrive. By preventing the formation of plaque, green tea also reduces mouth cavities, and has recently been shown to reduce the risk of developing oral cancer. 4. Green tea helps you live longer. Green tea significantly reduces the risk of developing cancer and cardiovascular disease, which naturally increases your lifespan. In fact, green tea has been proven to have so many diverse health benefits that statistics reveal staggering evidence of reducing the rate of mortality by almost 70%. By drinking green tea regularly you are preventing disease, promoting bone, muscle, brain and heart health, improving circulation and giving your vital organs the nutrients and support that they need for optimal longevity. 5. Green tea improves your skin. Green tea contains such potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that it reduces skin cell damage, thereby improving skin elasticity, texture, and overall appearance. Green tea also has the unique ability to reduce the damaging effect of UV rays on the skin, and when applied topically, can protect you from sun damage, wrinkles, and aging. 6. Green tea burns fat. Green tea boosts your metabolism due to the excellent source of caffeine, amino acids, and antioxidants. By boosting your metabolism, you are able to increase your physical performance, expending more energy within a specific period of time. Green tea has been known to increase physical exertion by up to 5%, as well as improving fat burn by up to 18%. 7. Green tea help improves your eyesight. Green tea has incredible benefits if drunk daily. Catechins, the antioxidants contained in green tea, are able to penetrate the tissue of the eye, producing a deeply rewarding antioxidant effect. Recent studies suggest that drinking green tea will dramatically reduce cataract-induced blindness, and offers significant health benefits for sustainably clear eyesight. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Share this with your friend and don't forget to subscribe.